Misal Pav has to be Maharashtra's best kept secret, and the secret to make it truly झणझणीत lies in the masala. To start off, give a tadka to mustard seeds, garlic, and onion. Add some dhania powder and a little mirchi powder. And a super ingredient is this Khandeshi Kala Masala by Kouzina. It's authentic, made in small batches, and super flavorful. Once the masala is a bit cooked, add in the moth dal, it's also called matki, and about 2-3 cups of water, a few chopped tomatoes and salt to taste. Cover and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Serve hot with chopped onions, farsan and some pav. And don't forget to tag someone you would like to cook this with.